Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. So first, what is this Meta AI that I'm talking about? So you can use Meta's extra services such as Meta AI and other characters on WhatsApp to get answer to your queries, learn things, or generate ideas. Select from a variety of characters, each with their own personality and set of interest, or have a conversation with Meta AI. So this is what it looks like. But I just want to tell you that not all countries can have access to this feature. So as you can see, you can chat with an AI here. So what you're going to do is you can ask Meta AI a question in a specific group chat here. So open the group chat and then type at in the message field and tap on Meta AI. Then type a prompt or whatever it is that you want to ask, and then there will be an AI response display in the chat. So this is what it looks like. All you have to do is to type at and then choose Meta AI and then ask anything. Then this AI will answer a question right away. So that's how you ask question to WhatsApp AI. You can also generate image here in WhatsApp. So all you have to do is launch the chat window where you wish to create an image and then type at, click slash imagine, put your text prompt here for the picture. The created image will then appear in the chat window. So that's just how easy it is to use this Meta AI here on WhatsApp. And apart from that, there are also AI stickers. So all you have to do is to click on that emoji icon and then the stickers icon, then tap on create and generate with AI. So enter the prompt for the sticker you want to create, then the stickers will be generated. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.